Create My Virtual Machine. It's an engineering multi-tool. Using the Operate variant, you can virtually configure the PLC, the HMI, and the CNC to establish a virtual test rack of the control. Using the 3D software, you can have a realistic model showing the desired movement of the machine in a virtual environment. This step assures the safe engineering and higher reliability of your CNC machine. The Machine Tool Builder can create the digital twin of any accessories on the machine and verify a program's logic as well as the machine's behavior before the real machine is even built. The addition of NX Mechatronic Concept Designer gives you a complete digital twin of the entire machine. Create My Virtual Machine Open allows testing or simulation software, whether developed by you or by others, to